wants to do it. Well, do you want me to do it again? Let me do it again. I just took a hat off and I am about to shampoo my eye tips. I'm going to use my Davines products. We're going to use some Milu shampoo and conditioner and the Milu hair shield, which has your heat protection. It's going to give you shine. It's for damaged hair, or it can be just for hair that's going to get straightened out or just wants a little bit of extra protection. I'm just going to show how easy it is to style eye tips when you have them in. My hair is naturally curly. I get a keratin about twice a year. The plant-based keratin, I offer it at my salon. It's by Cezanne, if you're interested in that. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. Stay tuned. Very good. I've actually got done shampooing my hair. I had to throw a load of clothes in the washing machine. My hair is kind of drying, but you can kind of see my texture, that it's curly, even though I do have keratin on my hair. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the Milu hair shield. It's going to be like your heat protection for long or damaged hair, or just hair that has had any aggressors from like the environment or just anything. If you want a little extra hydration and moisture to your hair, you can add this in. Now with the eye tips, you do wanna be careful if you have really fine hair. Typically not really for my texture, but be careful of not just spraying directly onto where the eye tips are installed. I wanna just focus mainly on my mid shaft and ends of my hair. And then I do spray a little bit of this onto my extensions as well, because it does protect it and gives it nice shine and keeps them nice and smooth and silky. I'm just gonna proceed to do that, and I look a little crazy right now, but it's okay. So start spraying. My hair has grown out. I'm always doing stuff to my hair, either coloring it or cutting it or something. So it's about to here now. It's grown out from me cutting it from last year. If you see me on my Instagram page, I'm always doing something. I'm also going to use a little bit of Momo hair potion. Momo's whole line of products is very good for like moisture, so the shampoo and conditioner is really good for that. Milu is going to be more so for if you're going to blow dry or do heat styling, but you can also use it if you weren't doing heat styling as well. So I'm just going to use a little bit of that. I'm just going to emulsify it into my hands really well. I like to have products kind of on my fingertips too, like when I'm dealing with eye tips, because I don't want to actually get that on the actual installation of the eye tips, and just work it in like so, mainly focusing on my hair. So eye tips are always a good way to change up your look. They aren't like harsh or really cause breakage or anything, as long as they're installed correctly. All right, I'm gonna start to blow dry and I'll be back. Then get ready to start straightening it. Of course, you can see my hair separated from it. And I mean, when I take these out, I'm probably gonna do wavy extensions. I'll do that usually when it gets hot. But I have my times where I just do not want to see wave at all. Then I have my times where I wear my natural curl. And I am natural. I've been natural for, I would say, maybe about 7 years, off and on. And I wanna just reiterate, like, these products are amazing. They are a plant-based luxury brand out of Italy. They are 100% sustainable, are eco-friendly. Not only are they good for the environment, they're good for you to inhale and to use. I'm using these products throughout, my salon. I use their color and everything. I really, really enjoy it. And they're diverse for all hair types. They have something for everyone. So all I'm gonna be doing is starting. I'm not gonna make you watch all of this. Should probably turn it off, but. Yeah, I'm just gonna start straightening my hair in between, and then I'll go through and straighten the hair. So I'll just show you really quickly. My hair is really curly, and usually a tighter curl than this It's usually the same wave pattern, even if I do not have a keratin. But my hair straightens out really easily with the keratin and lasts really long. That as well is plant-based. If I just wanted to kind of refresh my keratin and not do the whole process, we do also offer the instant, which is more like a blowout treatment. That one is really good. It's quick. It kind of refreshes your keratin. It doesn't take as long to do. So all I'm gonna do is go and straighten that first.
Get that to straighten out.
And then I can straighten the rest. I'm just gonna go ahead and get everything straightened out. So I finished half of it. This is a neat little trick. If you do have hair that tends to be more like curly, frizzy, I usually don't use a lot of oils. I try to put all my hydration in while the hair is wet, basically, so it absorbs it like a sponge. I will take and use my Care wax stick a lot of times where my hair has that little bit of separation where it kind of stops maybe like in here. I'll go through and just smooth that down. And I did not film that product because it looks kind of raggedy. When I get a new one, I will show you, but I'm sure you guys have seen the Care wax stick. Typically, my routine is I put my satin cap on. That's basically what I do. Take the satin cap off and use my edge brush with a little bit of edge control. This is the final look.
Take my hand.